Hello everyone. Today, we are going to fix an issue where you get frame drops even though your CPU and GPU are not fully used. First, open the control panel. You can do this by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and typing Control Panel. Open it and wait for it to load. Inside the control panel, look for System and Security. Click on it, then select System. Once that page loads, click on the Advanced System Settings. This will open a smaller pop-up window. In that pop-up, make sure you are in the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click the Settings button. This will open another window. Again, go to the Advanced tab, and under Virtual Memory, click the Change button. When you are inside the Virtual Memory settings, first make sure that the option to automatically manage paging file size for all drives is unchecked. Next, click on your main system drive, which is usually the C drive. Select the option for custom size, and in both the initial size and maximum size fields, type 4096. Then click the Set button to apply this change. After that, select your other drives one by one. For each of them, choose the option No Paging File, and then click Set. This will make sure that only your system drive is using a paging file of the set size. Once you have made all these changes, click OK on every window to close them and save your settings. Thanks for watching.